The Dreame L10s Pro Ultra is a smart robot vacuum and mop with strong suction, spinning mops, and intelligent navigation. Its auto-cleaning dock empties dust, washes mops, and refills water for easy hands-free cleaning. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum, base station ramp, mop pad, power cord, cleaning solution, dust bag, cleaning tool, side brush, and user manual. How to pair. To set up the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra in the Dreame Home app, first sign in or create an account, then tap Add Device in the top right corner. You can either scan the QR code or manually select your model by going to the L10 series and choosing the L10s Pro Ultra. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, then enter your Wi-Fi details in the app. Next, place the robot on the base station and power it on. When prompted, press and hold the home and spot cleaning buttons for about 3 seconds until you hear the voice prompt for network configuration. After that, scan the QR code on the vacuum, follow the connection steps in the app, and within a couple of minutes, the robot should be successfully added and ready to use. How to use? To start the initial setup of the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat, first remove all protective film from the base station, robot, top cover, sensors, camera, and any protective strips. Place the base station in an open area with a strong Wi-Fi signal, leaving about 1.5 meters of clear space in front and 5 centimeters on both sides, and ideally install it on a tile or masonry floor to help avoid possible water damage to carpets or wood flooring. Connect the power cord, switch on the base station, and confirm that the indicator light is solid, then install the extension ramp. Next, press and hold the robot's power button for about 3 seconds to turn it on, attach the side brush and mop pads, and place the robot on the dock until you hear the voice prompt confirming charging has started. After that, open the dust collection bin cover, pull out the auto detergent compartment, fill it with official detergent only, reinstall it, and close the cover. Finally, remove the clean water tank, fill it with room temperature tap water, close the lid, and place the tank back into the base station so the robot is fully prepared for operation. Maintenance. To clean and maintain the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat, regularly inspect the top of the robot and gently wipe away any dust, dirt, or debris, especially around the bumper and LiDAR navigation module. Check the side sensors, charging contacts, and the self-empty chute for any buildup of hair or debris, and clean them as needed to keep everything working properly. On the underside, remove tangled hair from the side brush and main brush roller and replace them when worn. The mop pads can be peeled off for a deeper wash or replaced over time, then reattached easily. Lastly, make sure the cliff sensors underneath stay free of dust or obstructions by gently wiping them down with a soft cloth or cotton swab during routine maintenance. Smart features? Delivers powerful suction to lift dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from hard floors, carpets, and tight edges with ease. It helps the robot clean more deeply in everyday messes while maintaining strong performance across different floor types. Uses 2 spinning mop pads to scrub floors with pressure, effectively removing sticky stains and dried-on dirt. It delivers deeper mopping performance compared to standard drag-style mops for a more thorough clean. Automatically extends the mop outward to clean closer to walls, corners, and furniture edges. It reduces missed spots and improves cleaning in tight and hard-to-reach areas. Automatically empties dust, washes and dries mop pads, and refills water and solution without manual effort. It keeps the robot ready for cleaning with minimal maintenance and a fully hands-free experience. Creates accurate room maps and plans, efficient cleaning paths for full floor coverage. It detects and avoids obstacles like furniture, cables, and shoes for smoother, interruption-free cleaning. Automatically detects carpets and increases suction power for deeper cleaning of fibers and trapped dust. It also lifts the mop pads to avoid wetting carpets while vacuuming and mopping at the same time. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra robot vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dreame L10s Pro Ultra robot vacuum. See you at the next one.